YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in this video, it's all about my Allure Beauty. And I got 2 of them. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm excited. You know, I've been down and out for a minute. I've been sick and just haven't been feeling myself. But now that I'm back to being me and feeling good, I am ready to break into all of my monthly box subscriptions. They have just been stacking up. So right now I have 2 Allure Beauty boxes. One has to be May and one has to be June. Or maybe April and May, because they've been sending me them kind of late. So I'm not even gonna I'm gonna keep it real with you and let you know I don't know which month is which, but we're gonna open them up because I know I'll have another box coming soon. So I just don't want them to be stacking. So let's see what goodies we got. So I'm gonna start with this box first and just open her up. As you know, Allure Beauty is a monthly subscription. You pay $10 a month and then they send you all these little goodies. It's like about 5 to 6 products. So, and they come in a bag. So one thing I seen that was not in a bag is a tan applicator mitt. I do not tan, so this will be going in a giveaway box. As you do know, I do a lot of giveaways on my channel. So I hope you guys, you know, keep watching and stay tuned for that giveaway. Next up, I see that there is, that's not in the bag, a Laura TZ Cosmetics lip gloss. Now, I've never heard of this brand, but I'm not going to sit there and say that I know all the brands. Oh, I just broke the box. But it's, the color is Vibe. Oh, and this is pretty and cute. Definitely light. So I am not going to swatch this. This will be going in a giveaway box as well. I did break the box, but as you know, I did not do anything to it. Okay, so let's see what is in this nice little orange bag. It's a very different bag than what they usually send. It has the little buttons and stuff. So I like this one. This is cute. More like, you know, travel. Can't really use it as a clutch as the other ones, but yes. So this is Laneige, if I'm saying that correctly. It says moisturizer cream for normal to dry skin. Okay, and it says water bank. So I do like moisturizers. And let's see. Benefits: hydrating and soothing. Main features: hydrolyzing mineral water and micro hyaluronic acid. I like that. So this is very, very nice. Definitely going to try this out and see how my skin likes it. I know she loves hyaluronic acid, y'all. Alright, so next up, I have the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Natural looking glow in 3 hours. So I don't think I will be using this, because it says it's self-tan, and I do not tan. So this will go in the giveaway with the tanning mitt. Next up, I have this is by Model Company, the I Likes Metallic Eyeshadow. There we go. And I believe this is in St. Bart's. So, let's see. Oh, this is cute. I Likes Model Company in St. Bart's. So let's see how this looks. And it's an eye topper. Ooh, that is very pretty. As you know, I like to wear my little shimmer. So yes, definitely going to be trying this out. That's exciting. Next up, we have, this is by More Pacific, Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. Ooh. I love creams and masks. Yes, gotta keep, you know, our canvas nice and pretty. So when we're trying to paint our canvas, our picture comes out great. So this is very unique. This, I took her out the box. This is how she looks. Very different. Oh, she smells really, really good. Yeah, She smells really, really good. I can't really distinguish that scent, but I like it. It says the cream with the function of sleeping mask and the creamy sherbet texture contains white phony extracts and green tea salicylate. I don't know. It protects the skin from an external environment and provides youthful radiance by providing moisture and nourishment to the skin. Ooh, I like this. So we're going to try this out and see. You know, it sounds like I'm going to like it. So, but I'm going to try it out and see if my skin likes it, and I'll let you guys know. All right, last but not least, we have, this is by Allure by Jean Seal. If I'm saying that right, it says erase. A cleansing, exfoliant, and brightening powder. Ooh, super cool. But I do notice my bottle's not really full. It looks like, you know, somebody used a quarter of it, but maybe they just don't fill up the jar. I don't know. Yeah, and it doesn't have no seal or nothing. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know if your guys' bottles came kind of like a quarter empty or not, because you see that it looks like it's been used, but it's intriguing. It says mix a tablespoon of erase with a half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erase if paste is dry. Use twice a week as needed. So, I mean, this sounds really nice. It's organic. It only has 4 ingredients. Organic avena sativa, which is oat flour, and organic non-fat milk, and magnesium carbonate. So that's three ingredients. So I wouldn't mind trying this, but let me know if y'all's bottle was half empty like mine. All right, so that's all that's in that box, okay? So we have this other box. So we're going to open this one up and see what's inside as well. Ooh, we got papers flying out. You know I don't ever read these. Oh, this is a $20 gift. Use promo code, boom, to get some earrings. Might get that a code away. I might have a link down at the bottom, and whoever uses it first come, first serve. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So this bag is cute. I see they're kind of going with like neon colors, but this bag is green. First up, this is not in the bag. It's by SGX NYC, and it is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. And that sounds very nice because, you know, some of my wigs be needing some volume, honey. Some volume, so I can definitely use this. So, let's open this bag and see what's inside. But it's a really nice bag. All right, here we go. First up is by Allure Thermal Avena. Oh, my gosh. A thermal spring water aspirant. Soothing and softening. Let's open this and see. But this, it has some words on there I'm not quite sure of saying. Okay. But we're going to open this up and see. Give her a nice little shake. She came with some instructions and stuff too. So it's like, okay. So let's see. That's why I can't read it. It's not really in English. I don't know. Let's see. It's a spray. We know that. You can spray it anywhere, it looks like, but I don't see any. Oh, here we go. One little side that's English. So this is just kind of like a, it's just a spray to soothe and soften. You can spray it all over your body. They show pictures of people spraying it on like babies and so forth. So, okay. We'll see. Give it a shake and try her out. Oh. Yeah, she's just like a light, fresh. Doesn't really smell like anything. It's just kind of like if you need to like spruce it up or liven yourself. So, I'm going to do some more research on this. because there's not a lot of stuff in English. But this looks nice. Maybe it's on the back of the cards that I don't never read. So let's open this Allure packet up and see. Here it goes. It says the hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now on until Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, aka my face, all summer long. Yeah, that's all it is. It's just a little spray, like a water spray. I mean, like if you need to like cool off or whatever. I mean, that's cool to have because sometimes you do need to just cool off and you never know. That's nice because I do go to a lot of parades and stuff out here. Next up, we have Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. This is her. Let's see. Let's open her up. Let's see if I don't rip the box. Oh, okay. Floss, she's just a clear, nice lip gloss. My new favorite lip gloss. And I'm going to put this, she's very pretty. But I'm going to put this back in the box. And this will be going in a giveaway package for you guys, okay? I don't need to keep everything. I'm not a hoarder. So next up we have, it's by Context. It's Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Oh yes, we know we need vitamin C and eye cream. I'm getting, to that age. I need to start staying on top of that. So I'm definitely going to try this out. Let me let you guys look at her. So this is her. And we're going to see what she's looking like. Okay, so she's very watery. A watery eye serum. As you can see, I put her on my finger. She's real watery. Let's see. I'm just going to kind of rub her on my hand. And, ooh. It's really watery, but who knows? It could be. We'll see how she does. But she does rub in really, really nice. Usually eye creams are way more thicker than this. Alright, next up, I have the Moroccan Oil Treatment by Moroccan Oil. For all hair types, for all hair types. Okay. Apply a small amount throughout damp hair, yada, yada, yada. This is very good. As you know, my hair needs a lot of moisture. I'm African American, so yes, Moroccan oil is one of ours. I love black castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil. We use it all, so that's going to be great. And last but not least, I have the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks. Brow pencil in medium brown. I've seen this around. I even bought a couple products from her, but I did not get a pencil. I had got one of the, it's like a pen or whatever for your eye. So, ooh, and I like how it has a spoolie on this end. But yeah. That's what I had got, was like a pen that lines your eyes, and I liked it. It wasn't like the greatest, but I liked it. But that's everything that I got in both of my Allure Beauty boxes. I should be getting another one probably within the next couple days. So I do enjoy everything that I got. It was a lot of skincare products this month, so I'm excited about that. Ooh, and just kind of nourish my skin and just try different things. I'm like just so into having spa days at the house. And there's a couple items in here for you guys. So I'm excited about that. Build up my little giveaway packages because I do have a lot of stuff to give away. So it's probably going to be like 2 to 3 winners my next giveaway. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine.